Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about how to use any mathematical formula into the JavaScript, right? So here I just taking a simple example, that is the temperature conversions, right? So we know the formula. Suppose in a Celsius, if this is 98, so in Fahrenheit it's showing 208.4, and if you write Celsius 60, we are getting 140 in this way. So it's actually calculating based on this formula. Okay, so now I just going to implement this formula into my JavaScript application. Okay, so here we need to put only one part, means either Celsius or Fahrenheit, and we will get the output in the opposite, means if you provide the Celsius we will get the Fahrenheit, and if you provide the Fahrenheit then we will convert into the Celsius. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So before starting these things, if you don't see my previous video, you can see from my playlist, link are provided in the description sections. And actually why I am saying that things, here we need to get some user input from the browser, means from the prompt. So using prompt we will take the user input, and based on that things we will get the output. So if you are new, let's see the previous video also. And now here I just going to take one variable using the prompt. So simply let's declare a prompt, means first I just going to print the temperature conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so we'll provide the Fahrenheit value and we'll convert into the Celsius. Okay, so simply just declare a variable. Let's see the Fahrenheit value and just use the prompt, and let's ask for input for Fahrenheit. So simply just write enter Fahrenheit temperature or Fahrenheit value. So if you check, if you want to get the Fahrenheit value, simply let's write Fahrenheit and here Celsius. The formula is these things. So 50 is the Fahrenheit value and we'll get the output in Celsius. So simply my formula is like this. So simply just write in this way. So simply declare a variable var Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. So here my Fahrenheit value here, Fahrenheit minus 32, and then it will multiply with 5 into 9. Okay, so let's write in this way, 5 into 9. And if you want to print in, and if you want to print the value, simply write document dot write, and here just write here Celsius value is dollar curly braces Celsius. So this is the template literal concept, so you know that thing. So we can concatenate value in this way also. So simply let's go here and here just refresh, and let's add Fahrenheit value is 50 and click on OK. So we are getting value, Celsius value is 810. Sorry, there is a mistake in the formula. Inside the formula we have 5 by 9. We just multiplying that things, that's the reason it's getting wrong. So simply just refresh again and let's use 50 and we are getting 10. So similarly if you just provide this as 70 and check this, so we are getting 21.111 something here also. So if you write here 70, we are getting 21.11. that means our calculation works perfectly. Okay, so now let's convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's copy all the things and print here. So I just closing these things, I don't need right now, and here simply write enter Celsius value and we'll get the Fahrenheit value here. So this will be the Fahrenheit and this is the Celsius, and we will print that things. Okay, and we need to change the calculation. So we will change into the Celsius to Fahrenheit. So that time my calculation is Celsius value into 9 by 5 plus 32. So this is the Celsius value, then multiply with 9 by 5. So multiply with 9 by 5. Okay, so write in this way. Okay, plus 32. Okay, so this is the formula. So Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32, Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Hope it will work perfectly. So simply just here provide, enter Celsius value. Simply I just write Celsius equal to 100, then we are getting 212. This is the Fahrenheit value. So let's check. So 100 and we are getting 212. Now check another. So I just going to write 80, then you can see 176. So simply write 80 and we are getting 176. Okay, so in this way I discussed with a simple example, but you can do complex things. Just practice and practice. Actually this is the formula. Whatever you need you can do with your logic, right? So just here you need to know the Celsius here and just insert the formula, and you can do your mathematical calculation using the JavaScript also. Okay, so hope you can understand this, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. And if you like this video, do share with your friends and like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.